everybody. Right now it's raining. So yeah. Wondering what's this red spot right there? It's probably mosquitoes or something. But like, it's raining, so look. Rain. All the rain. Mom, you know what Betty wants to be on? Team 10.
What's Team 10?
Jake Paul. Me and Betty want to be on Team 10. With Jake Paul, the Martinez brothers, and yeah. But it can't just happen, right, Mom? Miracles, something. So. I want to meet the Martinez brothers like so badly because I just want to see them. I watch the shows, the channels a lot. But yeah. I'm gonna check something, guys. Be right back. So I'm back, guys, and yeah. Vanina.
Is it work? It's gonna work? All right. All right. Bye.
Okay, I better get in the back. But I just knocked down a hole full of napkins.
Tomorrow we gotta go back to the welfare. See if I left my driver's license there. If not, I'm gonna have to go get another one when I get mine.
Where's my Nina's car? Oh, there it is.
Can I go straight back, Samantha?
Yeah, but be careful.
Why?
There's like a thing, like where to park. So it's raining over here in Tucson. I don't know if Los Angeles is raining, but I'm not sure. So. Mom, is that a church? Yeah.
Sunday at 9, Wednesday at 7, and at 6 p.m. It's a Baptist church.
Oh, it's a Spanish church?
I don't know, it's Baptist.
Oh.
We can come next Sunday at 9 o'clock this week.
Mom, you know I wake up like between 7 or 8. or maybe 10. I'm not sure. But I'm not sure right now because it's gonna be like, I don't know. Like, yeah. I love the Martinez brothers because I saw them eating. I don't know why. Comment down below if you like the Martinez brothers. Put a case if you do like the Martinez brothers. Okay? Little Canelos. I know they speak Spanish. One time, I was like, they were teaching what's it called? Tessa Brooks Spanish, and I know what they were saying because I speak Spanish and English. I speak both at the same time, and I think she got them right or wrong because I haven't watched the whole video. So yeah. Subscribe, turn on notifications on, and bye.